That's what I love din about working with Alexa. We're super collaborative with one another, and whenever we're cutting, we always tell each other, maybe we can try this, or maybe we can try another thing. And that's what I love about it. It's criticism at its best.
I love it.
Meron bang movie na yung kayong dalawa ng bida? Kasi dito parang mas bida yung mga lalaki.
So, hopefully soon, praying.
Thank you.
Thank you guys.
Pakita lang po.
Dito po.
Dito na lang po.
Dito po.
Pakita lang.
unang basa ko pa lang sa novel siya makalagay panalo ako. So I feel like panalo na ako being nominated.
And it was also exciting, I mean, being surrounded by such talented people.
Definitely, mapasali na kami dito sa Panalo. Yun na yun, panalo na. So, like I said, marami nga. I think kailangan mo tanongin yung tatlo lang
Oh,
sa
ito nga eh. Kayo naman, like, how excited are you for tonight? Siyempre, bonus na lang ako, pero ano na lang yung fulfillment nung napanood ng mga tao, and they had good reviews. Nagustuhan nila yung chemistry ninyo.
Nakakatuwa. Actually, hindi namin na-expect na sobrang nakaka-overwhelm yung mga reviews that they really enjoyed the film. Kasi nga, very light lang naman talaga yung film namin. But we're very, very happy with the reception.
And ikaw naman, what can you say sa reception ng mga tao? Natuwa talaga.
Well, ako talaga
Excuse me lang
sobrang
po.
excited ako eh. And sa mga reaction nila, sobrang happy ako kasi
Siyempre, hindi siya complete kung wala yung ganitong festival. I mean, we're already offering entertainment, good stories, and siyempre, this will fill in the missing piece na like ganitong festivals. You always have to give acknowledgement and siyempre, give praise to everybody who did their best work sa mga projects dito. So, yeah, it's really important.
Last question lang, Jason. Moving forward, may mga aabangan ba dapat sa'yo? Ang mga pamilya, fans?
Yes, after this, meron kaming gagawing teleserye sa ABS-CBN, What Lies Beneath.
Oh, yung with sina Julia.
Yes, part din ako doon and mayroon akong films or a couple of films sa Netflix coming soon.
Oh, wow. Very last na lang, pang bangko. Meron ka bang plans for Holy Week? Magbabakasyon ka ba? Winter? Dadasan?
Siguro kung may time ko, I will try to make some time to visit yung pamilya ko sa Hong Kong.
Ah, okay. Thank you. Thank you,
Thank you so
Jason.
much.
Thank you so much. I'm very happy and super thankful that I was given this opportunity. This is my first lead movie and I'm glad that the people enjoyed it and it's getting the positive.
Actually, first movie lead mo together, diba?
Well, I'm actually, ang lead talaga dito is si Kayla and si Jameson. So I'm happy to support. I'm also very happy because we made the film with the intention na we hope people would have fun when they watch. So I think na-achieve naman. Yeah, I'm very happy about that.
Speaking of Katie, sabi kanina ni Chris Kahiri, best actor yung mga nominees daw. Pinaka nahirapan sila mamili kasi sobrang talented daw ng roster. What can you say about that? Kasi kahit nomination pa lang, panalo na yun. It's just a bonus. It's a good feeling.
Yeah, super good feeling. It's my first nomination. I mean, not first. It's my first nomination as a like,
Thank you.
and I'm so grateful talaga. Thank you, Sir Chris, and thank you, Sir Amaya. Every one of the set really helped me, and especially the thank you to all the writers.
And then last question na lang, what are you looking forward to the most tonight? Itong having a community filled with talented people, behind the scenes, on-screen talent.
I am looking forward to giving awareness to the short film directors actually. Because nakikita ko yung mga concept nila. Grabe yung concept nila. They're so creative and they're super... parang you can tell that they're really passionate about what they do.